Welcome to the channel, to the workshop. Today we're doing a painting of a prop, a movie prop. You might have seen it on the Facebook page. I recently purchased Predator 2 on VHS. Love this film, very underrated. Really enjoy rewatching this for some research. The prop, obviously, was in Predator 2. I wanted to watch the original film. I know I could have got a better quality image from a DVD, but this is how I remember watching it. So this is the reason why I got this, and it's a VHS. I love watching VHS. It's just something about them. Anyway, so the prop we're going to repaint came in this 3D printed little case. So we'll go through what it is in a minute. I'll transfer across onto the bench and just show what we need to do, how we need to paint it. But I've got this from Etsy. I'll go through the details of it in a second. Cheers. Okay, let's say we're doing some research on Predator 2 to try and determine the colour of what is in here. Now this is a really cool. This is what it came in. I bought this from just a piece of plastic on Etsy. They just 3D prints, and they're normally really good. I've done quite a few, and this is what I bought. It's a dart from Predator 2. It's really nice detail. It's going to need a little bit of sanding, but that's okay. But the reason why I'm struggling with the colour was, look at the props that have been made. The two colours are usually produced: silver and like a goldy colour. Now, I know that the Predator costume in the first film was definitely like a pewter colour, with the silver. But in the Predator 2, because they've moved it into, say, LA, and they put a filter on to make it look very warm and hot, so they put like a yellow filter over everything, a golden filter. Everything looks slightly golden. The only close-up shot you get of it, really, that's not got a filter on it, is in a laboratory, but it's covered in blood. So that didn't really help. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it silver. I'm going to give it a black wash to make it like pewter, and I'm going to give it a rush over that of a like a browny golden colour, just to give a bit of hint to both. But you can see by the detail, these minimal sanding on this. There's a few little striations there, a couple there. I'll just rub these back. I'm happy that it's going to have a little bit of defects in it. I think it ties better into the prop. So I just need to work out how we're going to mount this to paint it. I might have to put a piece of cotton through there or something. But I was going to do a little bit of sanding, so I'll get on with that, and then we can get this thing plastic primed and painted silver. Cheers. What, mate? So we've give this a sanding down. Hello, Finn. How you doing? And I've just got some copper wire that I'd knock around just so we can hang it up while we paint it. I'll just turn that a little bit tighter. There. First thing we're going to do is we're going to plastic prime it with some grey plastic primer. It's going to be a bit difficult with it being a grey 3D print. So let's move outside, away from the cat, and we'll get it primed. Okay, next phase, and this is a couple of coats of the silver aluminium paint. It's turned out all right. There's a couple of striations on it from the printing process, but I'm not that bothered for the nature of what this prop is, which is a well-used implement for hunting, effectively, by the predators. So I'm going to do two washes on it. I'm going to start with a Citadel null oil to get some dark tones in that, and then we're going to run over the top of that with some Agraz Earthshade as well to get some richer tones, which will then hopefully bring the colour up to something that was in the film, that you see in the film, but not necessarily on the original prop, which is that more golden colour. So this, I've got a rag to blot off from, so we're just going to do basically a wash. that will do. I think it looks a lot more depth to the colour than it was. I'm going to let that dry overnight, and I'm going to clear coat it. And then if I feel as though it needs a little bit more after I clear coat it, I might add some more of the brown onto that. But that is looking a lot better as it stands at the moment. Really happy how this turned out. It's just a lacquer coat spot. It's nice and shiny now. I was going to put another layer of the brown wash on it, but I think that'll do as it is. I like the marks that are in it as well, like it's been well used. But yeah, that's that. Quick video, I know. Hope you enjoyed it. It's another thing that I can go to the shelf of tacked and prop replicas in the house when I get around to tidying that up. So yeah, quick video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.